Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Good luck, buddy. Good luck. What's up, everybody? Today on Cars and Cameras, it's time for the Go Power Sports 180 3-hour endurance race. You got racers from all over the country, over 100 teams this year, and the track is as gnarly as ever. So we think we have a very competitive bike, but there are a lot of really, really good riders out there. So wish us luck. Breakfast. Natural refrigeration.
Not bad.
It only got down to like 45
Yeah,
last
it
night.
might not be food safe.
That's fine. That's what you need, is a chance of food poisoning before a 3-hour mini bike race. That's what you need.
We're strategizing on like
not dying.
Yeah, everybody being very careful today and stuff.
That's what's most
I
important.
think everybody will do good. Y'all are gonna do good. We're gonna do good.
Yep.
You know?
And just remember, we're only racing for painted sheet metal.
That's right.
It is bragging rights, really nice trophies, but it's not worth getting hurt over.
Yeah.
So yeah, we want everybody to be safe.
Yes.
So I shouldn't have cut all those brake lines last night?
No, I think everybody that's racing at least needs to try it 4 times.
I agree.
Yeah, because you're gonna forget stuff as you go along because it's so intimidating. You're like, you forget everything you just went through.
So I got the fuel line. I got a fuel filter in there. I have a spark plug wrench. I have a spark plug in there. We have a belt on the back. Is that it?
Yep.
Hey, Charles. Where's the Comet belt?
So we had a post on our Mini Mayhem Facebook page yesterday morning from 2 of our subscribers, Matt and Scott, who wanted to fly down to the Go Power Sports 180 from New York, buy bikes, and compete. So we picked out 2 brand new Trailmaster MB200 Hurricanes, loaded them up, brought them out to the 180, and they just landed, and they're doing some upgrades to their bikes. 2 brand new Trailmaster Hurricanes, boys.
Yes. Thank you, Go Power Sports.
Yep, these will do.
Made in China.
Only the finest.
Brand new suspension, bro.
Not in 3 hours. Yeah.
Oh my God. Yeah. Boys, thank you so much.
Chrome Super Bike.
Oh, that's my man.
Yeah.
Carburetors and these, you just didn't want to mess with the jets.
Okay.
Just swap cars.
Okay. Carburetor.
Yeah, fantastic.
Or you can do the jet change, either way.
Yes, sir.
Fuck yeah.
Thank you, Go Power Sports. Yeah.
I can't wait to see the condition of these bikes after the race, guys. That's going to be the true test.
I am known for crashing.
Good.
Yeah, it's like crashing live.
He breaks everything.
Okay. And this is where all the magic happens. When a bike goes down, they have everything you need in here to fix it. They have tools, grinders, welders, they got a torch. Really cool. So this guy traded for this bike last night. He worked on it late in the night, got a practice lap in, and his plastic camshaft broke on his Predator 224 here. I didn't know it was a common problem on these. I was aware that it was a plastic camshaft, but dang, hate to see it happen. So we're gonna rip a cam out of the parts bike. It's a performance cam too, and we're gonna install it in the Predator 224. Oh, we got a new belt. We got a Comet. Hey, we happen to need a Comet belt. Just put that in your pocket. It'll be fine. No one will notice.
That's like your March pin.
This poor bike, man.
This is Jay.
Yeah, I rode this bike 2 years ago. It's really nice. It was really fast. Not anymore.
You take this off?
Nope.
Nope. So I need a 10mm wrench.
Get the spring pressure off it, right?
Yep.
Yeah,
Oh,
baby.
look at that big old fat camshaft.
Did you expect to see this at the Go Power Sports 180?
I expect to see some crazy things, and this wasn't one of them.
2 hours before the race.
Ah, man. Hey, that's what happens. Coming clutch, right?
Absolutely.
It's a thump stick.
Yeah, dude, it's a hot 265, so it's gonna have a little more juice for you. Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Nice job.
Good job, man. CarsandCameras approved.
Going fishing.
Yeah. Can you grab that? What's it look like in there?
You have to probably take the spark plug out and see if it looks, but we can check that you take one. I mean, they're kind of, if it is,
Let's put the cam in and see what happens.
yeah.
First cam.
I'll hold the push rods up. Oh, this one fell.
Did it? Well, we can get it back in there.
Yeah, that'll be easy.
Yeah. All right, let's put the cover on. Should have seen a man doing a wheel stand going up that hill. And wheelie going up that hill. Couldn't hang with him, and all of a sudden cam broke.
I do a wheelie, you make me scream like a baby. I don't like wheelies. Big guy like me doesn't need to be on one wheel.
All right, boys, let's stand this thing up and see
I
what
look
happens.
like a grizzly.
That don't sound good.
I felt a pulse from the exhaust.
That's
The starter-
It's just the starter, right?
Starter cup is,
Yeah, it's just the starter cup.
Looks like the fins are good.
Yeah. I mean, the coil gap looks fine though. Like
Yeah,
if
everything
the
looks fine.
wait,
crank
this,
was
the fins,
The fins have been
look,
good.
this dowel is not in the hole on the flywheel. Like the fins rotated.
Did it?
That's the biggest in that kit.
that's impressive work.
Not gonna be big.
So it wasn't actually the plastic part of the cam that that broke. It was just broke in half.
If you do new valve springs in a billet flywheel, this thing's gonna rip.
And a rod.
Yeah, that's true.
Yep.
Yeah, we stole one out of Jason's bike.
Dude, go look at Jason's bike. It's so bad. Hey, it's fixed. There it is, buddy. Yeah.
Put it together, man.
Yeah.
You're out there. Yeah, let's see you out there.
We're gonna do a post-race interview.
Yeah.
Now we want half of the prize winnings if you win.
So here's the thing.
Half of zero.
You gotta break in.
Break something, you guys gotta cover half the bill.
Wait a minute. Okay.
I gotta make a phone call.
Hold on.
Big turnout this year. Holy cow. What do we got? What do we got? Oh boy. Not so good. Not so good. That's all right.
On it, because I haven't even done the track.
Wait.
Trade it with Matt.
So he got number one.
I got number one.
Trade it with Matt.
That's karma, dude. That's so funny.
That sucks. Hey, all right. Well, that's it. Let me have the shirt. No,
That's so funny.
I grabbed it. I want to help him find somebody to trade, but if
Right.
you put somebody, a good rider ahead of us, that's hurting us. No
Right,
offense.
right,
but
right.
race him.
Rick would be like.
You know what? Yeah.
The bad
It'll
one.
be epic. I'll start in the front and I'll get around. I'll get around. No, hey,
Dude,
look,
just stay
Just
out.
pull over, dude.
You literally don't have
Just
to
pull
start
over.
your bike.
Yeah.
It's your choice. If you want to be first,
Just
be
hang to
first.
one side and stay there.
Or start
like
your bike
cruising
and wait.
along.
Does anybody have a silver Sharpie? I can put some zeros next to this.
Yeah. Busy, man. Busy. A lot of people. Good luck. Good luck, buddy.
Right here. All right. 68 right here. Right here. 69. 70 right here. 71 right here.
This belt is dragging back.
Really? A little break in.
73 right here.
Good luck, buddy. Good luck.
75 right here.
Excited.
Yeah, me too.
Good to see a bunch of people crash right off the bat.
Right off the bat.
Sit back and enjoy the absolute insanity that is the first lap of the GPS 180.
Come on, buddy. Let's go. There you go. There you go. Get it.
Just 1 minute and 55 seconds after the race start, Ike had climbed from 67th position and now was in the top 20.
Up the hill already. A lot of really fast guys here, man. A lot of really fast bikes. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are just going. Here's Ike. Here's Ike. He's top 10. Yep, okay, yep.
With the first lap done, Team Cars and Cameras was already in the top 10, but we had a lot of catching up to do to reach the leaders. With most racers still on lap 1, it was time for Ike to put the hammer down.
What's up, fellas? Bomber.
With more than 100 teams starting the race, we were surprised to see so few broken down after lap 1. That being said, there was still plenty of breakdowns throughout the race.
Okay, you were top 10 on the first lap, and then I'm not sure what happened. It's hard to keep track with everyone coming through. The top 4 is very fast.
Yeah, the top 2 guys came through at about 8:22, 8:30.
Yep.
Fast laps.
We got you at 8:50.
I was second up to bat on the bike, and great bike. I had lots of practice the day before, which gave me the confidence to run it. The bike handled like a dream. I mean, it was almost like we were riding a real factory style dirt bike out there. It was floating over the rocks, able to go up the hills no problem. We had it geared and powered just right.
What happened, Jason?
Our ballast for our gas tank broke.
Oh, zip ties. It's a lot of faith.
Towards the end of my lap, I'd be like, I'm ready to get off. And then just, you know, for some reason I'd get the second wind and want to go again. So our modified 225 had plenty of power every time I was on the bike. On every section of the track, I could really wind that thing out. And it almost had too much power for me on certain parts of the track. But we ended up having a little bit of a mishap with not swapping back to our oiled air filter, but we'll get to more of that later.
Good job, buddy. Stop. And go. Where are we at? 44, 39. He's doing all right. He's keeping up with you okay?
Good, good.
Yeah,
Glad.
he's doing great.
Awesome.
While we weren't confident about a podium finish, at least our bike was staying together, unlike a lot of other teams.
Busted fuel tank. Hey, there's Buster. Hey, buddy. How we doing? Good. Yeah. I hear ya. There goes the leader.
Oh my God! I jumped the whole rocks. That was sick.
And then, about an hour into the race, Charles pushed the bike a little too hard in the hill climb.
No! That's what I get.
Yep, go, 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 go. 54, 46, there's another one. Hey, I'm proud of him, man. He went from being terrified of the 180 to running 3 laps in a row now. Hey, it's better than pushing, right, Luke?
I did enough of that yesterday.
Oh, nice form. There you go, hit it. Day-Day, have you been on the track?
I have. I done pulled at least 8 people off the trees and bushes. I done pushed at least 5 bikes up the hill. A dude broke his ankle or his leg on the first lap. It's crazy. I heard a dude front end snapped off and he welded it back and he's back on the track.
Oh.
So it's crucial right now. It's
Right.
crucial, but it's the sport.
It is, buddy.
It's the sport. It's honestly the sport.
Absolutely. How you doing?
I'm doing all right.
Don't forget to cut.
I'm good, well, good. Here we go. It looks great. I don't know how I did, but
We gotta keep save on the bike because it's pretty aggressive out there.
Yeah.
And it's you know, not that there's anything wrong with the track, but it's the rocks are getting exposed and it's technically getting worse.
It's real loose.
Yeah, not worse for the
Yeah.
worse for the better, you know what I mean.
So John just made his first lap.
Yep,
and
he's going for
coming
his
in.
second.
He's coming in again, and I guess we're going to switch off.
Yep.
We're going to tighten up the chain.
Yeah, I need to go get the adjustment.
And we'll probably fill up and we'll probably check the oil. So
Okay, I got oil here. Yeah, I got.
yeah, so we'll check all that, and then I'm going out next.
Swapping over the belt prematurely because we busted one every single race so far.
We're good on fuel. We're doing super great. I don't think we need to top up for this race. We'll check it, but I'm gonna lean it this way, check the oil.
New belt. There you go, buddy. All right, well, it's a little bit tighter. Stop, go. There you go, buddy. Mr. Bobby Hammond, reigning champ. How you guys doing?
Good. Kyle's going faster than me, but he's young.
Cool.
Half my age. So.
Nice. Good deal.
But I'm staying consistent. I haven't gone down yet, except for when I try to pass someone and they turn into me. So.
Oh, well, that'll do it. I'm doing a pit damage report, so I'm seeing what's going on. What's going on, dude?
Oh, so nothing really. I'm just on my own and I'm needing to take a break.
Oh, cool. Nice, nice. I hear ya. You're like Ricky Bobby. You gonna go get a sandwich?
Yeah, I lost a crewmate, so it's on me now.
Oh, bummer. What happened here?
Oh, the hub just blew up.
Wow.
Bearings.
You guys might win the trophy for most impressive pit fix here.
Right? Thank you.
Oh yeah, we're not touching threads anymore, boys.
Oh boy. Okay. Yep. Add her to it. Am I doing all right?
I think so. I haven't really paid attention. It is what it is, you know. I think we're a little off pace, but hey, there's nothing you can do about that. Yeah.
Keep it going.
Can you give me a jiggle? Yeah, we're good. Whoa, that looks awful, but we're gonna
Let me know when you're plugged up. I'm gonna start it up.
we're just gonna put a little more in there, and then we're gonna send it. Yeah. Go ahead, buddy. Go ahead. Yeah.
I bet you got oil all over your phone.
Yeah, it's not quite F1, but we're doing all right.
Oh dear. I'll go. Hey, don't move. I'll go get you a towel.
Come on, Buster. There you go, buddy. Yeah. Yeah.
right, boys, it is the end of the race. How did y'all do?
We finished. We crashed, but we got back out there, so win for us. We did finish.
So John came in, we came in, we got 20 laps, and it was basically a drag race at the end, and I'm pretty sure we didn't win. I'm pretty sure we didn't even place. We'll see. It was crazy, guys. People going down, bikes busting. I'm exhausted. So I can't wait to see the end of or the results of the race. Apparently people are still coming in, but the time is done. No one else can get out.
I think I hit it on a tree. Oh. There's nothing there.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's why I was slow. And I crashed twice.
Oh.
But we finished. Brutal, man, brutal. Scott.
Yes, sir.
How'd the bike hold up?
Well, the bike did great. I did not. The bike outrode me.
Yeah, I hear you.
I went past my skill level and paid for it. I had an hour and 8 minutes downtime.
So you got junior class, hardtail, full suspension, juggernaut, which means one rider for all 3 hours. Craziest person here gets that trophy. It's fine, boys.
Every time I hit the gas, it smokes. So.
That's pretty bad.
Oh.
That's
That looks bad.
that looks real bad.
Never mind. No, we're not. We're caught it.
That looks horrible.
That's all that was in it.
That is horrible.
Oh my gosh.
You flew by me.
Hey, so that, you know what that means?
It means we're gonna
Big bore.
we're gonna bore it out. 236, right? Flat top.
yeah.
I mean, 225, 236. I mean, that's the next step, right?
It is.
I mean, why do a 226?
So the 2023 Go Power Sports 180 is in the books. It was an awesome time. Highly recommend everyone out there come out and race, whether you're a novice or you have some experience with motocross. There's all skill levels out there, and congratulations to those who placed. First place was Bobby Hammond, Metal Fab Creations. This is his second year in a row. He is 1 overall. We made 4th place by a margin of about 40 seconds. So if we hadn't popped the chain off, if I hadn't laid the bike down twice, we could have been there in 3rd place. So it's easy to kind of kick yourself and see where you can make up this little bit of time, but it's a long race, and we're happy that we even finished. And our MB200 was killer. We've linked all the parts in the description of the video. Amazing package, that Trailmaster MB200. Any other thoughts on the 180, boys?
I loved it.
We hate that we grenaded our 225, but we're going to get it back home and get it rebuilt and ready for next year real soon. We have some awesome plans for it. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Leave a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.
I like how Junior has taken every safety precaution to lighting a gigantic thing with diesel and cooking oil and bunch of. I wonder if anyone told him about the fireworks in there.
Burning bike.
Burning bike,
This
brother.
is what, dude. Look, you gotta be here.
You gotta be
You
here.
gotta be
You
here.
gotta come.
You gotta come, man. Totally.
Burning
It's
bike.
so beautiful. It's like double rainbow.
Oh boy, I see Brandy back there with the
Yeah.
pyrotechnics.
Oh boy. It's gone. Yeah.
Whoa! Yes. All right.
Oh, there it goes.
Woo! Woo! Burning bike. Very cool.
Yeah, you gotta be here. Burning bike.
Hey! Come on.
Shatter out the bottom.
Ho!
I think I broke. You're not gonna make it.
Oh, coming down.
Chunk of rock.